Hello everyone, welcome back to Triplezon. Today we're exploring the top 3 best digital kitchen timer options that make cooking, studying, and daily tasks easier with precise timing and smart designs. If you want better control over your time in the kitchen, this list is for you. Let's get started. Number 3 on our list is the Dawnkit Digital Kitchen Timer. The Dawnkit Digital Kitchen Timer brings a modern, efficient approach to managing time for a wide variety of tasks. With its innovative 1-second flip-fast timing, users can set up to 7 countdowns with a simple flip, making timing operations straightforward and quick. This design moves away from traditional, often cumbersome methods of timing, allowing countdowns of up to 90 minutes with ease. One of the standout features is its red progress bar, which visually represents the passage of time. This makes it particularly engaging for children, helping them understand time more clearly and fostering a sense of urgency. The visual cue also encourages better focus and learning efficiency, making it more than just a timer. Designed with practicality in mind, the timer is compact and lightweight, measuring 60 by 60 by 28.2 millimeters. Its simple, sleek shape makes it easy to store in any kitchen drawer, backpack, or workspace without taking up unnecessary space. The USB rechargeable battery adds to its convenience. A full 3-hour charge provides 2 to 3 months of daily use, with a standby time of up to 6 months. This eliminates the hassle of constantly replacing batteries and ensures it's ready whenever you need it. Its versatility extends beyond the kitchen. The timer is suitable for cooking, workout intervals, laboratory experiments, and exam timekeeping, making it a practical tool for multiple scenarios where precise timing is essential. The Dawnkit Digital Kitchen Timer combines functionality, portability, and modern design, offering a visually intuitive and reliable way to manage time in everyday life. This compact yet powerful timer transforms how time is monitored, blending efficiency, clarity, and convenience into a single user-friendly device. Number 2 is the Pomodoro Digital Kitchen Timer. The Pomodoro Digital Kitchen Timer is a versatile tool designed to simplify time management across various activities, whether in the kitchen, during study sessions, or even while showering. With a sleek digital design and intuitive flip functionality, this timer offers a modern approach to tracking time without the distractions of constant ticking. Engineered with multiple preset durations, 5, 10, 25, and 50 minutes, the Pomodoro Digital Kitchen Timer allows users to select the perfect time frame for their tasks. This makes it ideal for following the Pomodoro technique for focused study or work sessions, as well as managing cooking times efficiently. The silent operation ensures that it can run discreetly in quiet environments, maintaining concentration without interruption. Its visual interface provides a clear and immediate display of the remaining time, making it simple to monitor progress at a glance. The flip-to-start mechanism adds a tactile and engaging element to time tracking, offering an intuitive experience for both adults and children. The compact size and smart design make it portable and easy to place anywhere, from kitchen counters to study desks, blending seamlessly into any environment. Whether used for timing a perfectly boiled egg, structuring study intervals, or keeping track of personal routines, the Pomodoro Digital Kitchen Timer combines functionality and simplicity in a single, elegant gadget. Its thoughtful design emphasizes clarity, usability, and efficiency, making it a practical addition to daily life for anyone seeking to manage their time more effectively. This digital timer is not just a cooking accessory, it's a tool that enhances productivity, encourages better focus, and brings an element of control to everyday tasks, turning time management into a more engaging and effortless experience. And finally, our number 1 pick is the Dinrgo Digital Kitchen Timer. The Dinrgo digital kitchen timer is a versatile and practical tool designed to simplify timing tasks in the kitchen and beyond. Combining both digital precision and mechanical functionality, this timer caters to a variety of uses, from cooking to shower timing and study sessions. Its dual design allows users to switch between a manual rotary countdown and a digital display, giving flexibility for different timing preferences and needs. Featuring a magnetic back, the timer can be conveniently attached to refrigerators, metal cabinets, or other magnetic surfaces, ensuring it is always within easy reach. The rotary dial enables users to set the desired countdown time intuitively, while the digital interface provides accurate and clear time tracking. Whether you are simmering a delicate sauce, baking a cake, or keeping track of a quick shower, the Dinrgo timer ensures that timing is precise and effortless. The timer's compact and lightweight design makes it portable and easy to store when not in use. Its mechanical countdown function adds a tactile, traditional feel, while the digital mode delivers modern accuracy, catering to both classic and contemporary kitchen routines. Beyond the kitchen, the timer can also serve as a stopwatch for study sessions or other timed activities, making it a multifunctional household gadget. With a focus on usability and convenience, the Dinrgo digital kitchen timer is an ideal addition to any home. Its magnetic feature, combined with the manual and digital countdown options, creates a flexible and reliable timing solution for daily life, enhancing efficiency and helping users manage their tasks with ease. The combination of mechanical and digital features ensures that this timer is not just a tool, but a practical companion for anyone looking to stay organized and punctual in their daily routines. Timing is everything in the kitchen. These digital timers help you stay accurate, organized, and stress-free while cooking or working. Check the price link in the description to learn more. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Triplezon for more helpful gadgets and tech videos.